What's up everybody, I'm Brian from i1 Customs and i1 Tesla. I'm here at my shop on a Saturday to play around with my truck, and I realized I haven't done any video about this wrap or anything. It's kind of crazy, but maybe I'll do that soon. Today I'm playing with some parts that I've gotten in. Right now you see this kind of slammed to the ground. I got some lowering links that I'm going to be taking off and putting the stock ones back on. I do love the way this sits, and I love the fact that I can drive in medium, and then when I come to park, it just drops to the ground like this. I've been trying some things because I got some other stuff coming that I think these lowering links are going to look amazing with, but I want to change it up a little bit. Also, I have a carbon fiber dash that I got from Hansshow that I'm going to be putting in this, and it's going to be in this video. And also I'm going to be messing around with a light bar. A lot of people have put the light bar on. I want to try some things. You know, if you've watched my channel, you know I like to change things up and customize some things. So I'm going to be messing with that a little bit. Stay tuned because I'm going to be talking about this wrap because it's not going to stay on very long. I think I'm going to be taking this off probably 2 more months from now. I've already had it on for 2 months, but yes, I have a problem wrapping cars or wanting to wrap so many of mine and changing things up. Not that I'm not happy with this. I think this looks amazing. It's just, I gotta change it up a little bit. All right, the first thing we're gonna be customizing is the dash. Now I got this carbon fiber dash and a matte carbon that's gonna go over top of this. Like Hansshow sent this out to me, and really it just fits right over and locks into place once you pull the backing off. And what I did was I customized it. Even though I'm not keeping this wrap on long, I customized it to match the wrap outside. And it's just going to drop right into place. I'm going to clean the dash off. Then I'm going to pull all of the tape. We're going to put this in.
Excuse me, I'd like to get in here, but I'd like to speak to you about your car warranty, your extended warranty.
Just kidding, we don't care about warranties here. So once you pull the backing off, you gotta be careful of this little piece here. It drops right in place. The double-sided tape makes it stay there, and that's a super easy project. Now I'm glad I put this down here because if I put it here, it might reflect off of the sun and get in my eye. That's easy to remove, and I think it looks really good. Now I don't have much carbon fiber except on the outside. I do have carbon mirrors. I got those from Hansshow as well. So right here, they're dirty, but I got gloss carbon mirrors out here. I want to change these to a matte carbon. I may spray those myself, or I may do something else because I'm going to have some more carbon somewhere on this car. Do you like the carbon dash? Does carbon fit for a truck? You know, carbon for a sports car, yes, you definitely want carbon everywhere as much as possible because you want lightness, but we're actually adding weight in this case. So I think it looks really good. And I have the car in service mode, that's why everything's red, but I like it. I think it looks really good. So the next mod is something that I didn't get with the truck that some people got with the Foundation series. And that's little tie downs. I got these, Hansshow sent these out as well, and they just clip right into the spot. They come with an Allen key and you just tighten them down. What this is really good for is tying items down, along with this thing dividing up the bed. So you put something back here, it's not sliding forward and backward all over the place. That's fully adjustable in the ranges of these things as well. So I'm gonna put these in, and that's gonna be useful. So it can slide to the next spot, over. And then you tighten down. Once you get done putting all 4 of those in, what I recommend, put this in the glove box or down there with your ratchet straps. So when you do have to move those, you already have the tool. Not sure if you like this style of video or just kind of spending some time with me while I undo and look at some parts. All right, here is the light bar. It's a 50-inch light bar that looks like there's different ones for the sides versus the front. And there's a plug right here that plugs right into this outlet that plugs right into here. And we're going to use just the red and the black, and then up front, yes, I do need step stool sometimes. Right in this thing, we're going to lift this up. You just push without breaking. Wow, that's really tight. There we go. Right in here is 3 wires. We're only going to use 2 of those, and then we're going to bolt that bracket right onto here. But here's what I notice. This is curved and the light is straight. I'm going to see about getting a different light bar, maybe a curved one that matches this, and see what different ones work with the CyberTruck. So I'm going to order a couple. Those should be in soon. But for now, all right, so it's going to stand off of that a little bit. But right here, you see it's flat. I don't need anything curved this way, but I think it would do some justice if it was curved the other way. It might be a little bit more aerodynamic as well. I do know that some places make covers that make things more aerodynamic, but so stay tuned for that video as well. I'm starting to get into some videos. Hopefully I have some time to edit them. This place right here, I1 Customs, is keeping me super busy. We're very blessed to be doing a ton of Cybertrucks. We got a couple more coming this week. We've got a really cool car coming too. But again, it doesn't take much to just customize your car or your truck or anything. Have some fun with things. Enjoy what you've bought, what you've purchased. Make it your own so you have no issues walking out into the parking lot and finding which car is yours. That's my whole thought process on customizing your car. You can always put it back to stock and sell it. Things are not permanent. Even these wraps are not going to damage your paint. There's been a lot of stuff on the news lately on that, or the Tesla news. Vinyl does not affect the stainless steel. It's idiots taking it off in the cold, ripping too fast. You need heat. The steamer, if it's too cold, do it properly. It won't damage paint. It won't damage no paint. And I'll be showing you that soon when I take this off. There's no issues with vinyl on there. So, as always, stay awesome, stay positive. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you.